So I tried doing this last year through Clownwoods, but had some technical issues with my files. They've been fixed now, so let's go into Clownwoods. This is an awesome trail. I was through it last year, at least once, maybe twice. And I will go through it again because I'm definitely coming back at least once during the run. Because this place is awesome, that's why. I will. Quick note here, there are some gaps in the audio coming up because the guest was swearing a lot.
Tell him to slow the down. Really? I get a
We're gonna get
hey, look. When I get my knee fixed, start kicking. Everybody but Mark, he understands. Look. Oh, sorry about swearing.
Oh, let's cut it out.
Oh, he got light on things. See him.
Yeah.
They go cut him up.
All right. See, that was the plan. Oh yes, the exit and the entrance are the same here. So,
we're gonna go Clownwoods again if we want to. No. We get to pick one scary thing.
honestly, I wish I could come through here a little bit earlier so you guys can see more. But, well, if you want to see more, you just have to come. I know it's not practical for everybody. Hello.
What's that?
It's my safety device.
Safety device? You have a YouTube channel?
I do.
What is it called?
It's called Orlandave.
Are you recording now?
Yep.
Wait, what is it called? When you come back, do you think you can hand me it? And a
I
paper?
can.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Can you record me?
I am.
Yay! Bye.
Bye. I think I need to lower this a little bit. Hello. Exit, entrance. I'm gonna go with entrance.
Are you here with the media?
I am.
Alrighty.
I have to warn you guys.
That's pretty low, even for me.
Yes. I do have a question. Does that camera have a flash on it?
It does not.
Okay, good.
I do have this,
Do not
but
like flashes.
that is the most you'll see from me. Is
Okay,
this
thank you very much.
phone.
That is our only request, that you do not have a flash. Please go through this door.
I promise I won't flash anyone.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Keep on flashlights with me.
Well, you know, if you're going to talk, maybe don't blow the horn at the same time, because I missed part of that. Oh, thanks. I showered this week. Just kidding. It was last week. Or sometime. I showered at some point. I don't remember when. That was my fault. Oh, so when you guys finally see my shirt that I made with the chainsaws, this trail was the that's right. Hello. Got my inspiration from words. This inspired it. Well, they didn't surround me like they did last year. This is cool. I like that. Totally missed the entrance here. I know, that's what I said too. But don't worry, I finally fixed it. Wow. For a short person, this is really short. Don't worry guys, I see the stairs. I'm going down the stairs and I'm not falling.
Sorry.
Right, no, left. Hello. I'm so glad it's not raining. Look behind you. Now, you guys can look behind me for me. Hello.
Hello.
Let me just go around here so I don't hit anybody with my giant bag.
Do you guys like sugar? Of course you like sugar. What's your favorite candy? Hello, pay attention to me! You like Skittles? I like Skittles! You like Skittles? I like Skittles! Taste the rainbow!
Hi!
Do you like sugar? Of course
Oh,
you
yes,
like
of course I like sugar.
What's your name?
I named Dave.
Who
Dave.
cares? What's your favorite candy?
Skittles, because I like to taste the rainbow.
Woo! Say hi to Bob!
They melt in your mouth and your hands and everywhere else too. Hi, Bob.
That's not Bob!
Oh, hey, George.
Hi! How's it going?
Hi,
Are
going
you
great.
having a great time?
Of course I am, yes.
That's great!
Hello.
You're late to the disco! I feel so
Oh,
bad.
man.
Hi, you want to say something pretty cool? Hi!
Ooh,
It's so pretty.
shocking.
You want to be little fighter?
Ooh,
Don't
yes.
be late! Wait, you want
Okay, oh, I'm already late.
Hello!
Hello.
Hi!
Hi. This place is so awesome.
Say hi to Bob!
Hi, Bob. Are you Bob from FPL? People in Central Florida don't know what that means.
Hello! Bye-bye!
Hey, this is really using your noodle. You get it? Because they're poo noodle. No, it wasn't funny. You're right. Stuffing face.
Hello!
Hello. Did you hit the target?
No!
Oh,
Nobody has!
Keep trying. You'll get there someday. This thing got dimmer on me and I didn't even notice. Oh crap, it's that again. Hello!
Show me! Want your poop? Can you show me
I already ate.
Hey, Papa! Show me on the camera!
You're on camera.
And your poop!
It's 360, you got everything.
Hello!
Including me, unfortunately.
My name is... Scare... No, my name is...
My name is... Huh? My name is who? My name is...
Slim Shading!
There you go.
Is that go back? You like them?
Uh,
Are you a YouTuber?
Unfortunately, my hands are full. Maybe I'll come back later.
I'll eat it for you. You're
Okay.
a YouTuber?
I am.
What's your YouTube channel?
Orlando Dave.
Oh.
I was here last year. I'll be back too, because this place is awesome.
Hi, I'm Wanda!
Hi, I'm Dave. Are you a fish?
No, faster!
Okay.
Toxic waste!
Yeah, it's true. Hello. It's a little puppet. Man, there's so many people in this zone, this trail. It's amazing. Ooh, I may get my fortune told. Hello.
Would you like something to eat?
I already ate, but thank you.
Hi!
Rats.
Are you afraid?
What am I
Don't
stepping
step
on?
on my snake!
Sorry.
This is my snake!
Sorry, I didn't
My
see it.
friend!
Sorry.
How many people?
I did step on the snake. Really badly about that. I do feel badly about stepping on the snake, but
There's four drunk people coming. There's drunk people!
this way.
Dude! Hey, please not get too close. Dude! Turn around!
Okay, I think I've
Four of them.
made a wrong turn here. Where am I going?
Wait, are we stuck? Oh, follow me.
I am going through here. I guess so. This is going to be extremely difficult, but we shall. And that's really wet. I don't want to know why. Okay. Did that with a big backpack. Hi. Have you seen an exit? There we go. Okay. Oh. Ooh. Okay, so don't recommend doing this with a large backpack. I do recommend doing this. Maybe skip the bag. There's some spiders. That one's not real, but there are some real ones in here. That one's definitely real. Ooh, spooky. Hello.
How are you?
I'm doing awesome. Maybe a little lost every once in a while, but...
You're not a friend of me.
Get out!
Okay.
Why?
Why?
Because you ate my sweet tooth.
Ah. That mask makes them hard to understand. So, that was the very, very long Clownwoods. More awesome this year. Easy to figure out if you're not an idiot. Get lost near the end. But yeah, that is one of the amazing trails that await you here if you can make it to Scary Train. And like I said, hopefully you do. It is a non-profit organization. I'll put some information in the description below. But thanks for watching this video all the way through, and please exit through the gift shop.